Your application is running. But how do you know if it's healthy? How many requests are arriving? How many are failing? And how long are they taking? Prometheus collects these measurements and stores them as time series data. But Prometheus doesn't just store one number. A metric combined with a unique set of labels creates a time series. And Prometheus stores those measurements over time. PromQL is the language we use to ask Prometheus questions. Prometheus questions. We select the time series we need, filter them using labels, and later calculate useful information from them. Remember three things. Prometheus stores time series. Labels identify those series. And PromQL is how we ask questions about them. Next, your first PromQL query.